I just cut this aloe vera from outside. They have a huge plant and you just remove one, and this is medicine for your skin. So the first step is to wash the aloe vera plant, and then you're going to remove a little bit of the skin here, especially the spikes.
How do you know it's not a cactus because of the spikes?
Well, it is a cactus actually. It belongs to the family of the cactus, or cacti. And then what you do, so you just do that so you don't prick yourself. And then what I'm actually going to do is I'm gonna freeze this, but I'm gonna cut it up maybe like this. So you cut a little bit of it.
So this is like when you hear aloe vera, this is the aloe vera.
Exactly.
Wow.
And it's just beautiful. And you can actually eat this as well. It's really good for your digestive system.
Wow,
So,
just like that, you can start eating.
Yeah, you could take a little bite. It's hydrating. It's good for your digestive system. Or you can use it to rub your skin, but you just gotta be careful with the skin. So I'm actually gonna remove a little bit more.
Wow.
And you could actually even create like your own shampoo, your own soap with something as beautiful as this. You could scratch it out with a spoon. So I am going to freeze it in the freezer here that we have so that we can have for the rest of our trip. Because we're gonna be out in the sun for a long time. So I'm just gonna cut up.
Cute, good job, okay?
Thank you, yeah.
You wanna put a little bit on right now so we can see? Or
Yeah,
just we get the idea?
You get the idea, but for example, let me show you. So it's very, what's the word? Slimy.
Slimy yet satisfying?
Slimy yet satisfying. See it?
Uh-huh.
Look, it looks like a little soap. And you could just put it on your skin. I would put it on my face, but I already put sunscreen on. So I'm just gonna put it on my arms. It has a very unique smell, not the best smell, but that's what you do. Slimy yet satisfying. And actually I'm gonna eat a little piece just for the camera. And also because I haven't had anything hydrating this morning yet.
Oh, wow. It's like a multi-purpose vehicle.
Exactly. And this is all nature, free. Yes, I'm just gonna cut up some pieces. So would you like a little piece yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Little piece. Careful, 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 don't get on the drone. I just eat it like this?
Yeah, just eat it.
It's not like the best tasting thing, but it, feels healthy for sure.
Definitely healthy.